Today, we are going to discuss the Approach R10 features found in the Garmin Golf app. This will include our free features and Garmin Golf membership options. You must pair the Approach R10 to your compatible smartphone to access our golf simulator features. These include Home Tee Hero, our golf course simulator, driving range, weekly tournament, and TrueGolf E6 Connect. For help pairing your Approach R10 to a mobile device, please see Getting Started with the Approach R10. First, let's cover what's included with the purchase of the Approach R10. The driving range feature is a free tool included with your purchase. This allows you to track your shots and video record your swings. Let's take a quick look at the features available in the driving range mode. Here, at the bottom of the screen, you can access a menu. This includes enabling screen capture, selecting a prompted audio metric, tag shot, which allows you to enter in notes about your last shot, an indicator for the shot you are currently on in the session, and club selection. This menu is static and will be available on any page while in driving range mode. On the main screen, you will see a horizontal view from the tee box. The flag icon will toggle from an overhead view back to a horizontal view. You can customize the quick access data displayed at the top of the screen by selecting the data field and choosing a desired metric. The Garmin Golf app will use the front-facing camera if you have enabled video swing capture recording. You can quickly review the previous swing after each shot by swiping to the right. Selecting the shot number indicator will allow you to review previous swings. Swiping up on the Shots tab will allow you to select and review previous shots with swing capture. You can also review all of your shot metric data for the last shot by swiping to the left. Once you are finished reviewing the shot, press the back button until you return to the driving range session. To end the session, press the setting icon in the bottom left of the lower menu, then select End Session. Here, you can either save or delete the driving range session. If your phone offers multi-screen mirroring, you can display the Garmin Golf app to a big screen or projector. For help utilizing this feature, visit support.garmin.com. Now, let's discuss the Garmin Golf membership options. You will receive a 30-day free trial of the Garmin Golf membership with the purchase of an Approach R10. The features included with this membership include access to Home Tee Hero, virtual rounds with over 42,000 courses, weekly tournaments to compete against other R10 customers, and the option to automatically store video clips of your swing captured into the Garmin Cloud. First, let's look at Home Tee Hero. With Golf Sim open, select Home Tee Hero. Then select Play Now. A list of nearby courses will be displayed. Choose a course from the list. You can also use the magnifying glass to search for and download from any of the 42,000 available courses. Select the download icon on the right after you have located the course you wish to play. You can continue selecting and downloading additional courses. A quick note: Home Tee Hero will display the last downloaded course played at the top of the screen the next time it is opened. This will make it easier to replay those courses on your next simulated play. Select the desired course name when you are ready to play a simulated round. Now, you can set up how many players will compete during the simulated round. Press the plus icon to add a player, then add their name. Pressing the icon to the right of the player's name will remove them. Home Tee Hero supports up to 4 players. Select Continue when you are ready to play. Here, we can choose which tee box each player wishes to start from. Just select the tee box name before selecting the player's name and selecting Done. Once completed, press Continue. In the round settings screen, you can select the wind conditions to simulate ball drift. You can also choose whether or not to hit chip shots until you reach the green. When you're ready to begin the round, select Start Playing. If this is your first time using Home Tee Hero, the app will guide you through aligning the Approach R10. For help on this process, please see our Getting Started video. When you are ready to begin, press the X at the top of the page to close the alignment screen. Now that we are in the Home Tee Hero Simulator, let's cover some basics on how to get the most out of this feature. To reposition where you plan for the ball to travel, hold on the yellow marker or screen and move up, down, left, or right to your desired location. Selecting the flag icon will allow you to change to an overhead view. This allows you to prepare your shots for each hole. Note that the top of the screen will show you the distance to the hole, current expected ball travel distance, and plays-like distance. If you selected a wind condition during setup, a value and direction will be displayed. The bottom of the screen will display the hole number and par rating. Hold on the player's name and swipe up to view the current strokes, through, and scorecard for each player selected for this round. Press and hold within this screen and swipe down to exit. Lastly, the menu has options for checking the Approach R10 connection status, a reminder on how to align your Approach R10, and an option to pick up the ball to skip a player's turn on that hole, disabling sounds, and a way to end the round before finishing the course. After you have ended the round, you will be presented with a scorecard for each player. Press Save to finish the Home Tee Hero session. The Garmin Golf membership will also enable you to compete in a Home Tee Hero simulated weekly tournament. The courses will change each week with a cutoff time for completion. This feature is only available for a single player. The last golf sim option allows access to a third-party provider. TrueGolf E6 Connect allows you to use your Approach R10 as a sensor to provide data to their photorealistic courses. Select TrueGolf E6 Connect to set up this service on your Garmin Golf app and the Approach R10. Then select either Play on PC, or if you have an iOS product, you can select Play on iOS, and the Garmin Golf app will walk you through setting up their service. To find out more about their services, press Learn More about E6 Connect. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.